Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USAA banking account online, secure access step by step clearly. To log into your USAA banking account online, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the USAA website URL, www.usaa.com. Once the page loads, look for the Log On button typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Log On button. You will be directed to a new login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. Before proceeding, ensure that you check the box for Remember User ID if you want your device to remember it in the future. Double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Once confirmed, click on the Log On button. If your user ID and password are correct, you will gain access to your USAA banking account. In case you forget your user ID or password, look for the links on the login page that say Forgot User ID or Forgot Password. Clicking on either link will guide you through the recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your credentials securely. Once logged in, you can manage your banking needs online. Take your time exploring the features available in your account dashboard. Always ensure you log out after your session for optimal security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.